Hello, you can allow me to remove my mask. My name is Ssebirumbi, a volunteer from Uganda Red Cross Kampala North Branch. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent, the Subiru Academy, together with Red Cross, for giving me this opportunity to extend my idea and to air out my idea and put my idea to the next level. I'm working upon an idea which is emphasizing use of e-learning platforms to extend employable skills to the different youths in the community. And by doing so, we are reducing on the rates of youth unemployment that were exaggerated by the outbreak of COVID and the imposing of tough measures like imposing of lockdown in our community. And we all believe that lack of employable skills is a problem that's keeping most of the youths unemployed. And by extending such skills, we are creating a community of skilled job creators than job seekers. And by doing so, we are reducing unemployment. The design process of my idea was guided by a number of tools that were discussed in the different workshops that were organized by the Subiru Academy. Among those tools, we have the goal sheet that enabled me to detail my idea. We have the compass and map that enabled me and gave me focus of my idea, and it also enabled me identify the different stakeholders in my idea. Among the different stakeholders and beneficiaries, we have the youth themselves, we have the skilled personnel in my community, we have the entrepreneurs in my community, government programs that are supporting the youths, and non-government programs that are supporting the youths. During interaction with these stakeholders and beneficiaries, I held interviews, both personal and phone interviews, where I had to call those people who were not to reach in person. And I also organized focus group discussions where I had to discuss with different youths in different community in our community to see how best can we put this idea to life. The main innovation of this idea is focused on setting up of a physical database of employable skills which will be accessed physically, virtually, or online using the different platforms, for example, websites and applications. And the employable skills which will be stored on this database will be organized and set up by an innovation team, which will have sessions with different people who have the given skills. These sessions will be recorded and documented and kept on this database for access. This database will be accessed both physically and online using the different platforms. Furthermore, this information that will be stored on this database will be extensively extended to the youths through outreaches, camps, and whereby youth will be called upon to come and take part in the trainings of these skills. And after the training, they will be equipped with knowledge and the skills to start up their own businesses. During the testing process of my idea, I realized that a number of youths are unemployed due to lack of employable skills. And I also learned that in my community, we lack a central access and delivery point where such employable skills can be accessed and delivered to the different youths. With this project implemented, it will impact my community in a way that it will create employment opportunities for different youths that will take part in its training programs. That is to say, a number of youths will be guided through a series of different employable skills, and at the end of each skill set, youths will come up with projects which will be implemented by them to make sure that they exercise the skills they have acquired, and by doing so, we are creating employment for these youths. With more funding, we shall be able to create a central access and delivery point where these employable skills will be stored on a physical database that can be accessed at any point in time. The seed funding will also enable us come up with sessions, recorded sessions, and documented sessions of different skill sets that will be stored on this physical database. It will also enable us set up different projects and will act as a source of finance to these projects that will be started up by the different youths that will be trained in the different skill sets. Thank you.